Welcome to Eng Quizmaster.
Set off means depart. Example, we set off early to avoid traffic. Check-in means register. Example, we need to check in at the hotel by 3 p.m. Check out means leave. Example, we checked out of the hotel at noon. Get away means escape. Example, we got away for a weekend trip to the mountains. Take off means depart, by air. Example, the plane takes off at 10 a.m. Touchdown means land. Example, the flight touched down at 8 p.m. Stopover means stay temporarily. Example, we stopped over in Paris for 2 days on our way to Rome. Get in means enter. Example, she managed to get in the car just before it started raining. See off means farewell. Example, we went to the airport to see off our friends. Set out means begin. Example, we set out on our journey at dawn. Look around means explore. Example, we spent the afternoon looking around the old town. Pick up means collect. Example, we need to pick up our rental car from the airport. Drop off means deliver. Example, can you drop me off at the station? Get on means board. Example, we got on the bus just in time.